Hello students, now we are going to discuss question number 8. In a right triangle ABC, look at the figure. ABC is a right triangle. Right triangle at C, you can see angle C is a right angle. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. So M is midpoint, that means AM equal to BM. C is joining M. C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM equal to CM. So C is joined to M and it is produced up to D such that this is CM, this equal to DM. Okay. Now after this you have to show that I, double I, triple I and IB. Let's see one by one. Triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. AMC, this triangle is congruent to triangle BMD. Okay, first we will prove this. Then DBC is a right angle. DBC, this angle is a right angle. Okay. Then what we have to prove? Triangle DBC, DBC, this triangle, and triangle ACB, ACB, they are congruent. Okay. This will also we will prove. And last finally CM equal to 1 by 2 BC. This is CM equal to half of BC. So let's start one by one. We will prove them all one by one. First let's write given. What is given to us? M is the midpoint of AB. C is joined to M and DM equal to CM. So this is what we will write. BM equal to AM and DM equal to CM. This much we will write. So given BM equal to CM and BM equal not CM, AM. Look at the figure. BM equal to AM and DM equal to CM. This much is given. Angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Now I. So we have different two proofs. In I we have different double I, triple I and IB, and first we will prove I. Let's take triangle A. What did we want to prove us? AMC and BMD. In triangle AMC triangle and BMD, AMC and BMD, it is given to us that AM equal to BM, AM equals BM by given. Then CM equal to DM, you can write CM equal to DM, CM equals DM, it is also given. Then what we have, you can see these two angles are equal, and what type of angle they are vertically opposite angle, AMC angle and BMD angle. Angle AMC C equal to angle BMD, why? Vertically opposite angles. Now we can say these two triangles are equal because side angle side, here side angle sides are equal. So triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Region is side angle side. Okay, so we have proved the first part. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove DBC is a right angle. Okay, if we can prove that BD is parallel to AC, look at the figure. BD parallel AC, then what will happen? Here this angle ACB will be equal to angle DBC, or in other words, angle ACB plus angle DBC will be 180 degree, because they are parallel. Who? AB and AC. Okay na? So that we can write angle B equal to angle C, and angle C equal to this is 90 degrees. So angle B will be equal to 90 degree. In this way we can prove it. So therefore we will do the same thing. Okay. So how we can prove them? Prove that C is parallel to DC. Here, if you can equalize these two angles, this angle and this angle, that means CAM angle equal to DBC angle. They will be alternate interior angle, isn't it? Yes. Are they equal? Yes, because triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, so that angle CAM is equal to angle DBM, and their CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles, isn't it? So we'll do it in that way. First, let's clear the figure. Okay, so the figure is clear now. Now we'll move to double I part. Here, angle CAM equals to angle DBM. Why? Reason? Because triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This is just we have proved in the part what? BMD, and their corresponding parts, corresponding angles, you can say. So therefore you can say DB will be parallel to AC. DB parallel AC. Okay. Okay. Now we have proved that DB is parallel to AC. As DB parallel AC, you will write it here. As DB parallel AC. So angle DBC plus angle ACB will be equal to 180 degree, implies angle DBC plus we have angle ACB equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, it is given to us. We have written this in the given section. Plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, implies angle DBC equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved that angle DBC equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now we'll move to the third part. So let's write the third part also. 1 second. Okay. We'll write reply. In this part, we have to prove that triangle DBC congruent triangle DBC. Look at the figure DBC. Okay, is congruent to triangle ACB. ACB. This triangle. Okay. So we'll let's write the name. In triangle DBC and triangle ACB. Okay. Here you can see BD will be equal to AC. Why? Because DMB triangle and CMA triangle were congruent, isn't it? At their corresponding parts. So we can say first we will write that BD equal to AC. Give reason as they are corresponding sides of triangle. This is what AMC and triangle BMD, of triangle AMC and triangle BMD. Okay, now again here angle B, this angle is equal to this angle 90 degree, write it. Angle DBC, again angle DBC equal to angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is what we have just proved here in the part 2. And BC equal to BC, BC equal to CB equal, you can write. Why? Common part, common side. Okay, therefore side angle side and side angle sides are equal. You can write, so triangle DBC, triangle DBC will be congruent to triangle ACB, triangle ACB region side angle side. So we have proved the third part now. Okay, now can we will clear all the parts so that we can move to the fourth part. Here we will start from here, triple I part. We will move to IB. Edge triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. This is what we have proved now. Okay, so DC will be equal to AB. DC equals AB. Why? CP, CT, you can say corresponding parts of congruent triangle CP, CT. Okay, we have DC equal to AB, implies that we can write DC by 2 equal to AB by 2. Now again implies, well, look at the figure, DC by 2, DC divided by 2 will be equal to CM, as M was the midpoint. So instead of DC by 2 we can write CM equals to AB by 2, you write as it is AB by 2. So this is the proof of IB part. Okay, so we have proved the 4 parts, I, double I, triple I and IB. This is the end of this exercise. You complete the exercise in your copy and submit them in the group. Okay, thank you.